Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to discuss about English class 5 unit 2. Now I am going to discuss about name and category or types. Number A, rose, sunflower, jasmine and marigold. Its category is flower. You can write here flower. FLOWER flower. ফলোয়ারের সাথে একটা এস দিতে পারি আমরা ফলোয়ার্স। নাম্বার বি, spade, rag and sickle. Its category is gardening tools. We can write here tools, TOOLS, tools. Number C, Ryan, Jiva, Gautam, Mom. They are person, name of people. We can write person, PERSONS, persons. Number D, cow, goat, sheep and buffalo. Its category is domestic animal. We can write animals, ANIMALS, animals. Number E, magpie, pigeon, crow, parrot. Its category is birds, BIRDS, birds. Number F, mango, jackfruit, lychee and banana. Its category is fruits, FRUITS, fruits. Thank you very much for watching the video. Like, comment and share for the next video.